Regression analysis is a statistical method used to examine the relationship between one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It's often employed in fields like economics, social sciences, and business to understand how changes in the independent variables affect the dependent variable. There are different types of regression analysis, such as linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, and more. Linear regression, for instance, is used when the relationship between variables can be represented by a straight line, while logistic regression is used for binary outcomes. In essence, regression analysis helps us model and predict the behavior of a dependent variable based on changes in one or more independent variables, making it a powerful tool for data analysis and forecasting. Regression analysis finds applications across various fields due to its versatility in modeling relationships between variables and making predictions. Here are some common applications. Economics. In economics, regression analysis is used to analyze the impact of factors like interest rates, inflation, consumer spending, and government policies on variables such as GDP growth, unemployment rates, and inflation rates. Finance. Regression analysis is widely used in finance for asset pricing models, risk analysis, portfolio management, and predicting stock prices based on factors like earnings, market trends, and macroeconomic indicators. Marketing. Marketers use regression analysis to understand consumer behavior, predict sales based on marketing strategies, analyze pricing strategies, and assess the effectiveness of advertising campaigns. Healthcare. In healthcare, regression analysis is used for predicting patient outcomes based on factors like age, gender, medical history, and treatment options. It's also used in epidemiology to study the relationships between risk factors and disease prevalence. Social sciences. Regression analysis is used in sociology, psychology, and other social sciences to analyze survey data, study relationships between variables such as income and education, and predict social phenomena. Environmental science. Environmental scientists use regression analysis to model the impact of environmental factors, example pollution levels, climate variables, on ecosystems, wildlife populations, and human health. Operations research. In operations research and supply chain management, regression analysis is used for demand forecasting, optimizing inventory levels, and analyzing production processes. Engineering. Engineers use regression analysis for designing experiments, analyzing data from experiments, and modeling relationships between variables in areas such as materials science, civil engineering, and mechanical engineering. These are just a few examples, and regression analysis can be applied to virtually any field where there's a need to understand and model relationships between variables to make informed decisions and predictions.